Today on Windows 64 we are playing a game called Rivals. As we can see, I will play a 2v2. Now let's see. I am clicking a 2v2 to play this. The round is starting. Let us see. My phone is kinda lagging here. Please like and subscribe before the round starts. Now I will choose the map chess. Let's see what a partner has selected my map. Let's see. The construction map is selected. I am choosing the sniper, revolver, katana and molotov. Let's see. I am going to be camping here to see they come and I killed him. Or I am now sniping here. Let's see. Now I am going to the other direction to help my teammate or no. Yes, I am going to help my teammate with this. Let's see. I am going to over there from the back rasta. I don't know that much English. Let's go. I eliminated him instead of using the revolver. Let's see. Now today I am switching weapons faster than anyone could. Now I used to go stream sniper camping here. I eliminated one of them. Yes. Now I go to the other direction to kill one of the teammates. Now he eliminated me. No, he cannot. Now yes, he did eliminated me. Why do I kind of sound like a narrator here? Cricket narrator? Because no. Are we going to lose today or win today? Let's see. Are we going to lose? Because no, we are not going to lose today. Let's see. Now I am switching weapons fast. Now let's see. Today I am going to snipe here. Let's check. Here he comes. Check. I am dead. Let's see what my teammate does. He is a really good teammate and has a level. Oh hell nah. We about to be dead. Oh no. Ah hell nah. Then now we are starting the round with a head start. Let's see. They are getting to the level up. Now I am sniping here. Let's see. Oh hell nah, someone is attacking from me at the up and now switching sides. Let's see what do we have here. My teammate is dead. Now let's see if I can kill. Yes, I killed one of their team. Let's see. Now I am sniping there. I saw him. Let's go. Let's see. I am going to approach him from the behind. Let's see. I did. Now I will use my revolver to kill him, but I failed from the map. How sad it could be, bruh. Let's see. What do we have here today? I may not know voiceover, but I can do play games, and I am a all-nighter gamer. Let's see. He is coming from there, and I can do near there, and I will now go. I will not scope there. I will now go. Now I will wait for the right opportunity to go. Now I will deflect bullets. Kachak. He is dead. Now I am dead from the software check my. Anyway, my viewers, can you gift me a mega key bundle and some skin cases? My username is all small. WINDOS 6400. Now we lost. The round is up to 3-3. Let's see. Now we are going. Now I am using the sniper to see. Let's see. Now I am just camping here. Let's see. My teammate is using a slingshot. Now I am changing the sides to go from there. Now I am moving real audio driver fast. Now I am going to help my teammate. I got hit by a my teammate cannot be. We are going to lose. Go man, go. Let's help. No. We are going to die, bro. Use. Now I am lagging. We lost the round. This is not going to happen next time. Let's see what do we have here. Now I'm going to camp here. I fail. Let's see what do my teammate do. He got set down, and let's see. He's going to play the secret weapon, but he got killed by our enemy team, and they won, and we lost. Now I'm asking for a skin case for them, but they already left. What do I even do in this place? But I do not dare to go in and ask. And now I'm going to start another 2v2. Let's see what do we have here. My phone is kinda lagging. Please help me get subscribers so I can buy a new phone. Let's see what do we have here today. Rivals logo. Now I'm starting. I'm always going for the chess map, as you know. Let's see if I'll win or lose in this round. Bleh. Now we are going up. Bro, what the hell? Now I'm choosing sniper, revolver, katana, and warhorn. We are with my teammate, and now I use the warhorn, and I am tapping the fire button. Wow, very nice. Let's see today what do we have here. Now I'm climbing the stairs. I mean ladders. The wrong. I don't know how I hit him accidentally with the shot, and then I see them within. I forgot to use my katana, and we lost. Let's go to. We lost the first round. How is that possible? They are gaining confidence to make us lose, but no. I always come back. The teammate left. Now we have only one player left. Now let's see. Now I am scoping, and now I go to the with my katana. Now I go on the trampoline to jump. Now I equip my and then I use my revolver to kill him. Now I just use my I use my revolver. I try to do no scope, but I cannot. Now I will use revolver. Jack, he is dead. Woo. Now let's see what do we have here. Now let's see. Now I am spamming the fire button. Let's go. I cannot climb the ladder. The player left. Now we are winning. Now I'm just checking out for these. Now I'm going to play. I'm going to check his. Now I'm going to check my keys because I want to buy the battle axe and I do not have enough keys. So I get sad and start another. I open my backpacks. I have some stuff like the charm capsule for Molotov. Let's see. Now I'm going to start another 2v2. Let's see if we win or lose now. Today we are seeing my phone is kinda lagging again. Let's see, we are going on chess with my teammate, but they choose the arena. What the hell? They are going on crossroads, but always we got chess as always. Let's see, today we are going sniper, revolver, katana and warhorn. Let's see if we can eliminate them or not. I am now speaking free English. Now I'm going with my sniper, and then I cannot eliminate them. But the person that tried to go on the chess pieces, but they fell. Oh my god. Let's see. The person tried to use. Now I'm going to kill him with my sniper. A headshot as always. Now we will go on switch on the warhorn. Then I'll go use sniper to sniping camping him, but I cannot hit him. So I did hit him. He had a shot. Now let's go. No, he's going to kill me. I forget to use my katana. Oh, I'm going to die. No, because no. I always use my revolver as I am using auto shoot because I don't know how to use the normal shoot. Let's see, we won the round 2 and I tied it up to 2-0. Now I'm spamming the fire button. Let's go with the sniper. Oh no, I fell from the map. Let's see what my teammate could do here. I don't know what good my teammate do. We are going to lose. We are going to lose, bro. Do something with not DSL rifle, bro. Do something, brother. Brother, tata. Here he going to eliminate you with this. Oh, he eliminated you with sniper, bro. What are you doing? Let's see another round that we are seeing. I'm going off with the sniper wall run. Slide sniping. A hand shot, not a hand shot. But the guy is going to drown and a hand shot there. Let me see him off. And now I am reloading. Let's see what do we have here. Now I jump in with a headshot. Ooh. I failed to emote. Now we are using the war horn and let's see. Now I am going to hit a headshot, but I cannot. Oh, I hit a headshot. Yes. My teammate died, but I am going to save them. He tried to use a freeze rate. No, I fell. Oh no. This is all thanks to the editing to Adobe Premiere. Now I'm going to use the war horn. I may not be sponsored by Adobe Premiere, but I'm using their editing software. Now a headshot. Now I cannot do a headshot. They're using Molotov. No, I'm getting sniped. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see what do we have here. If my teammate tries to hit them with a revolver. No. He is dead. Bro, my guy cannot see. He is dead now. They are tying up the match to 4v2, 2v4. Let's see if I can eliminate it now. Let's go. No, I cannot. Or maybe I can. No, I can. My teammate cannot do nothing. Better level than me, but he has no skill. I mean no nothing. Now let's see if we win the round or not. Let's go. No, I cannot headshot him. Now I'm going to give him a headshot. No. Let's see what my teammate does. And now we are going to type the match to reload. I am dead now. The match is up to 4v4. Oh no, let's see. I did up to a sudden death. Now let's see if I can win or not. Let's see. One headshot. Yep. We won the round and I failed to emote. No. And now I am going to end the stream here. I am writing in the chat because I didn't know how to edit at that time. Now I know how to edit. Anyways, thank you, like and subscribe as always, and give to me a free skin cast, please.